Hello, everybody. You are welcome to this section of our HTML top-up. Today, we are actually going to look at how to create picture links. We have learned links already, but we have not seen how to use pictures as links. There are some websites you open, you could click on the pictures to navigate you to other web pages. So let's see how we could do that. Now, the first thing I need to do is to create my HTML file. So I want to create it inside more practicals folder. So I click on more practicals folder, then I click on this to create. All right, so I want to create a picture link .html. Remember how to create how do you call it, file names. So don't forget .html. Now this is created for me. And second important thing I should know is that I'm come to work with pictures, so I have to carry my picture that I'll be working with and put it into this folder to make sure it is in the same folder with my HTML file. So what I will do is that I've already opened the folder down. I'll just have to get the picture. I need this picture, the KFC logo. I'll just drag it, okay, and then put it on the folder. Now once I put it there, you see it's over here now. It's over here displaying here. I don't need it to display here. So very good, that's what I needed. So now I can start with my coding. Let me start with my HTML document and then head, as we know already. Okay, so inside my head I could bring the link. Did I say link? Title, sorry. I'm in a hurry to do links too. So the title, I could name it picture file or picture link as we spoke about. Okay, let me give a space here. Alright, so after this, okay, so let me just come down here, reduce this. Okay, don't be confused about this. I could break this one too down. Okay, it's the normal thing we've been doing here with. Then I come here and then give it a body. Now in the body, this is where I'm going to put in all my stuff I want to see in my browser or in my web page. So I would like to display with an h1 tag food or best food joint. Best food joint. Then I save this, copy the link or the URL, which is a local URL. Then boom, it is over here, best food joint. So come down here and then we are trying to get a picture to turn into a link. So let's start that kind of coding. Now the first thing we are trying to do is to create a link. Don't forget that the first thing we are trying to do is to create a link, but this link is going to be a picture. So first we call our anchor tag. Okay, this is our anchor tag. Then the anchor tag has an opening tag and a closing tag. In between it, we can now put our image. So I'll call my image tag and then give it the source. So where are we picking the image from? So I'll just come into my folder, look for the name of the image I want to use. The image is called, what is the image? KFC underscore logo.png. So I'll have to type that all over here. KFC underscore logo. Okay, so it's small letters .png. Okay, then I save it. Alternative, as we know, I could just write anything. Maybe it's KFC logo, just anything to be an alternative. So when I save this and I refresh this, you could see the logo has come. Now the logo is a link, but when I click it, nothing happens because inside the link reference, I'm not giving it where it should go to. So you could see that it is already a link by seeing the mouse pointer changing. It's already a link. But now let me give it a place to go to. So let me look through my folder and give it a place, probably calendar.html. That's where I want it to go to. I could quickly do that by putting it here, calendar.html, and here is it. So if I save this, and I come here, I refresh, and I click on it. Boom, it has moved to calendar.html. Could you see that? So the image has become a link. It's an image, but it has turned to a link. This is one beautiful thing I would like us to know. So I'm going to be sending you a lot of images, and I would like you to follow this video. Okay, don't forget that there is one attribute of the image you shouldn't forget here. You could reduce the size of the image, or you could make it bigger. That is the width. Remember this? Okay, so if I say I want it to be 200 px or pixels, if I save this and I run this, let's see, it is increasing. So don't forget this very one. Okay, I want it to be 100. So let me just save this and make it a little bit smaller. Wow. So don't forget this, because I'm going to send you a lot of images and I will need you to create something like this. Okay. All right. I created this one some few minutes ago, something like this. So when I go home, this is what I have. Browse for food joints, right? This is what I'm expecting you to create. So please look at it very well. Browse for food joints. Okay. Then when I click on KFC, it should send me here. So we have singles, enjoy the best chicken and chips. So we have single, we have double, and then we have the mega. Okay. Now if I wanted to go back, I click on home, then it goes back. You remember how to use links? So you just link it to the home or this place. And then when I click on Pizza Inn, you see it sends me to a new page. Please, I hope you get it. All right, so it's just the image, and you place the image inside an anchor tag and direct it to where you want it to get to, and that is all. It gets there for you. Okay, so I'll be expecting you to do something powerful with the images. Create links with the images, link it to a web page, another web page, another web page, and then you can send me a video display in the submission group, or you could just send a screenshot. Don't worry, as long as it works for you, I just want you to know about it. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Subscribe, like it, and put up comments, and you can share the link too as well. See you in the next session.